Pete the cat. I love my white shoes. P.S. I have a kitten right here. Okay, let's start. Let me turn these pages. Okay. Pete the cat was walking down the street in his brand new white shoes. Pete loved his white shoes so much he sang his song. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. I love my white shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a pile of strawberries. What color did it turn in his shoes? Red. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along, singing his song. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. I love my red shoes. Oh, I guess my kitten wanted to join in. Okay, next page. Oh, no! Pete stepped in a large pile of blueberries. What color did it turn his shoes? I need to turn this page. Blue! Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along singing his song. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. I love my blue shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a large puddle of mud. What color did it turn his shoes? Brown. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no. He kept walking along singing his song. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. I love my brown shoes. Oh no! Pete stepped in a bucket of water, and all the brown and all the blue and all the red washed away. What color were his shoes again? White. But now they were wet. Did Pete cry? Goodness, no! He kept walking along singing his song. Look, he's saying rock and roll there. That's funny. Okay. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. I love my wet shoes. The moral of Pete's story is no matter what you step in, keep walking along and singing your song, because it's all good.